To install EndNote for macOS, go to the RMIT library website in Australia. Scroll down the homepage and find the Library Essentials section. Click on Subject Guides. In the Subject Guides section, scroll down and select Reference. Then, click on EndNote. Scroll further down the EndNote page. You will see 2 tutorial videos available. One for Windows and one for macOS, showing how to use EndNote. Continue scrolling to the Installing section. You will find a download link for EndNote 2025. Click on the download link and log in using your RMIT credentials. Scroll down to the EndNote desktop heading. Click the download link for macOS. Important: make sure to close all applications, especially Microsoft Word, before downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file, and follow the installation instructions. To set up the RMIT Harvard reference types and fields. Download both the XML and ENS files. Open EndNote Desktop. Go to Preferences. Reference types. Import. Select the downloaded ref type table RMIT Harvard.xml file and click Open. Click Save, then close the Preferences window. To set up the RMIT Harvard output style, cut and paste the downloaded ENS file to Applications, EndNote 2025, Styles. Open EndNote 2025. Go to Tools, Output Styles. Open Style Manager. Find and tick RMIT Harvard EndNote. Then close the window. Go to Tools again. In Output Style, select RMIT Harvard EndNote. Open Microsoft Word. Select RMIT Harvard EndNote from the EndNote 2025 tab.